Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hotpoint Aquarius WF310 washing machine, and above it is a Hotpoint cast-on toy washing machine. And I'm hoping to answer that age-old question of what happens if you put a washing machine in a washing machine. So this machine here has really bad bearings, and so it should make a lot of noise one way or the other. But we'll see what happens when we put this little washing machine inside. First of all, I've got it set on a spin cycle, so it's just working up to speed. You can hear those bearings, they're pretty rough. Let's see what happens when we put a washing machine in a washing machine and put it on a spin cycle. It won't close. I'm gonna have to take the glass out of the door. So let's see what happens when you put a washing machine in a washing machine. So what's happening here is the rubber at the bottom keeps rubbing off the washing machine that's inside, so I need to fit it in a bit better somehow. Let's see how I can do that. So with the door seal off, let's see how it goes. I think that's it for one reason or another. It appears that we've just gone on to the agitate cycle for giving the laundry that little lift before it comes out of the machine. So there you go, the question's answered. What happens when you put a washing machine in a washing machine? Thanks for watching, see you later. All in all, no real issues there. Soap drawers come out, but apart from that, the machine itself looks pretty intact.